Hello, welcome in. We are solving some conventional questions of heat transfer. The topic is heat exchanger. Question number 113 from Civil Services Mains 2024 is a shell and tube heat exchanger used in a thermal power plant is designed to condense 500 kg per second of saturated steel entering the condenser at 20 kPa to saturated water. Cooling water enters the heat exchanger at 35 degrees Celsius and leaves at 45 degrees Celsius. While flowing through copper tubes of 50 mm diameter with negligible thickness. Overall heat transfer coefficient is assumed to be 1500 watt per meter square per degree Kelvin. Find the following for the heat exchanger of 1 total water flow rate required, 2 number of tubes required if water velocity is equal to 1 meter per second in the tube, 3 length of each tube, 4 total length of the tube. Take the following property values. Cp of water is equal to 4.2 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. Density of water is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. For steam T saturation 60 degrees Celsius, for HFG is equal to 2600 kilojoule per kilogram. So here mass of saturated steam is MS is 500 kilogram per second, and HFG is given 2600 kilojoule per kilogram. And initial temperature of water entering, or inlet temperature of water entering the heat exchanger is 35 degrees Celsius and outlet temperature is 45 degrees Celsius. Let MW be the total water flow rate of total water flow rate, and Cp is given as 4.2 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. So now heat rejected by steam will be absorbed by this water. So heat rejected by steam is 500 into 2600 kilojoule per second, and heat absorbed by water is Mw into Cp into temperature increase. That is 45 minus 35. Okay, so Mw comes out as 30952.38 kilogram per second. So that is the answer to first question. That is total water flow rate required. So that is 30952.38 kilogram per second. So now it is given that the water velocity is 1 meter per second. So suppose V, that is V, and diameter of tube is 50 mm, so that is 50 by 1000 meters. Density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Suppose n be the number of tubes. Then in terms of number of tubes and diameter and velocity and density, the mass flow rate is n into that area into velocity into density. Okay, so that is your mass flow rate. But mass flow rate we have found out is 30952.3. Okay, so V1 D is 50 by 1000, rho is 1000, so N comes out as 15771.91. Say it is 15,772 tubes. So that is the answer to question number 2. Number of tubes required at the velocity is 1 meter per second in cube. Okay. So now it is given that the overall heat transfer coefficient is 1500 watt per meter square per degree Kelvin, and the temperature of saturated steam is 60 degrees Celsius, and inlet temperature of water is 35 and outlet is 45. From this we have theta 1 60 minus 35, that is 25, and here theta 2 60 minus 45, that is 50. So LMTD theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by ln theta 1 by theta 2. So that is theta 1 is 25, this is 15, so 25 minus 15 divided by ln 25 by 15, it comes out as 19.57 degrees Celsius. So LMTD is 19.57 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now we have found out LMTD, and heat transfer in terms of LMTD is UA LMTD. U is overall heat transfer coefficient, A is surface area, that is pi d L, D is diameter, L is total length, and U is given as 1500 watt per meter square, and this LMTD is uh, LMTD is 19.57 that we have calculated. So now this is the heat transfer in terms of LMTD, but the heat transfer is heat lost by steam, that is 500 into 2600 kilojoule per second, or if we multiply by 1000 it will be in joules per second. Equating these two, that is heat transfer and or heat transfer is also same, that is heat loss by steam. So U is 1500, A is pi, diameter is 50 mm, so 50 by 1000 meter, and L is for length, LMTD is 19.57, and this is equal to 500 into 2600 into 1000. So from this L comes as 282073 meters. So that is total length of the tube. So that is your last part, total length of the tube. And now length of each tube, because as number of tubes are 1.772, so length of each tube is total length by number of tubes, that is 17.88 meters. To answer is here, that is answer to question number 3. So this is the heat transfer question.